How to ignore group chat in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. If you are annoyed of the group chat messages and you want to ignore them but don't know how to ignore the group chat in Messenger, then I am right here with a solution. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now in order to ignore the chat, long press the group chat that you want to ignore. Now here you can see different options, from which click on the option that says mute. Now from here you can select whether you want to mute the messages only or calls only, or you can mute both messages and calls from the group. For instance, I have chose the option of mute message and call notification. After that, you can also select the time period for how much time you want to mute this chat. For example, I have chosen the option of until I change it. Now once you do that, click on the OK option. And after that, you will be no more notified when someone messages or calls in the group. Now if you don't want to see this group chat on your chat list, you can just long press on the group chat, and here you will again see different options, from which click on the archive option. Once you click on it, the group chat will be hidden from the chat list. So in this easy and simple way, you can ignore group chat in Messenger. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.